Good morning, fifth graders. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. I love seeing all of your work coming on Seesaw. Keep working hard. Today you have gym, so check Mr. Downs' Seesaw page for an activity. I have office hours from 11:30 to 12 o'clock, and I will be teaching a live phonics lesson at 1 o'clock. I'd love to have everyone there. Love, Miss Rimride. And today, for your greeting, I want you to find somebody in your home to make up a secret handshake with. Then you can comment on our Seesaw post by answering our sharing question for today, which hopefully will make you smile a bit. The question is, would you rather eat pizza-flavored ice cream or broccoli donuts? I don't know if either one of those sound tasty. Try to pick one. And your activity today is to do 15 squats before you start your learning. Have fun, and I can't wait to see you guys at 1 o'clock.